today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my updated setup. I already have a previous video here on the channel where I show all my equipment, my monitor, MacBook, and everything else, but this one is an updated one. This setup is currently temporary because I'm going to be moving to a different place in a few days, but I wanted to show how I'm shooting my videos and which devices I'm currently using. Also, make sure you watch this video to the end because in the end of the video, I will be giving away a few Muffet accessories. So starting off, let's talk about cameras. I'm currently using the Sony ZV-1, so I have this one, which is the one that I'm currently looking at, and then I have another one right here that I use to shoot all of my iPhone tutorials, unboxings, and this type of videos that I should shoot on top of my desk. So the Sony ZV-1 is an extremely portable camera. It's easy to use. It has a flip out screen. You cannot change lenses with it, but for me, this is not an issue at the moment. And the great thing about it is that the price is amazing. So I could purchase 3 of them for the price of the one camera that I was using previously. So I currently have this one, as I've mentioned. I have the one on top of my desk, and my husband also has another one because we have live streams on my Brazilian channel, and he uses the other ZV-1. Both cameras are being held with the Manfrotto and Impact arms, so I actually put those arms on the wall so the cameras never move. Once I set them, they're always in the same position, so it's extremely easy for me to just come sit down and start shooting. I don't have to get my tripod, put the camera on the tripod, and I basically don't do anything. Besides the camera, I also have 2 different monitors. The first one is sitting in front of me so I can see exactly how I'm shooting at the moment, and then the other one is sitting right here in front of my other camera so I can check what I'm shooting with the second camera whenever I'm using it. Both of them are by FeelWorld and they are all linked in the description. So if you're interested in any of the devices that I'm talking about in the video, all of them are listed down below. Both monitors are attached to the other arms that I've mentioned through a small rig arm. And the great thing about it is that it's tiny, it doesn't take up a lot of space, and I can position the monitor in any angle that I like. Talking about the mic, I'm currently using the Octava mic, and my husband was doing research about audio and found this microphone out, and it's incredible. We are extremely happy with the sound quality right now, and the mic is sitting right here in front of me, and it's also being held through an arm. Regarding lights, I'm currently using 2 LED lights. The first one is a larger version of the Falcon Eyes, and the second one is a smaller version. Right now, I'm only using the bigger one. It's right here on my right side, and whenever I'm shooting an unboxing or a tutorial, I turn on another one right here on my left side, which is the smaller version. And now let's talk about the iMac. I'm currently using a blue 24-inch iMac, and I didn't purchase the base model. I purchased the one in between, so it's the one that has 8-core CPU, 8-core GPU, 8 GB of RAM. It also has 4 USB-C ports, 2 of those are Thunderbolt, and it comes with the Magic Keyboard that has Touch ID. Now, something that I'm currently not using is the Magic Mouse. I actually love the MX Master by Logitech, and it is the mouse that I use for a long time now. I just cannot live without it, I guess, because it's extremely comfortable to use. It does not hurt my wrist. I had a little bit of wrist pain in the past, so this one is extremely comfortable, and it has extra buttons that I can set to whatever action that I need. And something else that I currently have on my desk is the Orbitkey desk mat. They contacted me a few months ago and they sent me this beautiful desk mat. This is the lighter color that they have, but they also have the black one, and they ended up sending the black version to my husband. We are extremely grateful for that. It's so beautiful. It really changes the way that my setup looks because it just looks really clean and chic right now. I just think the keyboard looks amazing on top of it, and the mouse, same thing for the mouse. And it also works, of course, as a mouse pad, so you don't need to have a bunch of different things on your setup. The great thing about it is that it also has awesome features. So it has a magnetic cable organizer right here on the left side, and it opens up. So if by any chance you want to store a letter or any other kind of documents, you can basically hide them right here, and your desk does not turn into a messy one. As I mentioned, they sent me the desk mat, and they also sent the black version to my husband, but they also sent me a great key organizer and a great desk organizer. It's like a box where you can store anything you want, like your cables, your chargers, your AirPods or earphones, and it also works as a wireless charger for your iPhone. So besides being pretty, which all of the Orbitkey devices are incredibly beautiful, they also have awesome features. And as I've mentioned chargers, I have to talk about the chargers that I'm currently using. So right here on my left side, I'm using the Orbitkey magnetic organizer to put the Anker magnetic charger, and it's a convenient charger to have on the desk because if you don't have a lot of battery, you can wireless charge your iPhone but still use it, which is awesome. And right here on my right side, I have Anker's magnetic 2-in-1 stand, which I use to charge my iPhone and my AirPods. So one of the great things about it is that, of course, it works as a stand. So I love to leave my phone right here sitting in front of me, and while I'm live streaming on my Brazilian channel, for example, I can read your comments immediately. So it's great because it's almost in the same angle as the camera, so I don't need to be looking away as often. And of course, I could not talk about my setup without mentioning the iPhone that I'm currently using. So I'm using the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This one is the Sierra Blue, and I'm extremely happy with this color. I thought I would not like it as much, but it's very pretty. It's a light blue with gray undertones, so it's very chic as well. And right here, as you can see, I also have the wallet by Moffat, which is a wallet and stand, so you can pretty much just put your iPhone to sit vertically on your desk or horizontally, or you can even use this just to hold your iPhone more comfortably. So this is one of the accessories that I just think I cannot live without anymore. Talking about the chair, this one is by Alera. It's also linked right here in the description. And the desk that I'm using is from IKEA. I basically just chose the tabletop and the legs. So I went there, I really like the light brown, so this is why I chose this tabletop. And I chose the black legs because it really matched the way that I was decorating my old apartment. So that was basically why I chose those colors, but I think they look great. They are cheap. Actually, I paid, I think, $30 or $40 for it, and I don't know, I just think it's an awesome, simple desk. And last but not least, it's the giveaway time. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, Moffat sent me a few MacBook and iPhone accessories, and I will be giving them away to you guys right now. To make sure you're able to participate, the only thing you need to do is make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below saying why you should win the accessory, and also share this video with a friend. So the accessories that I'll be giving away is the pattern stand, the Moffat sleeve, which looks amazing. I really think it looks great. It's a leather one. The sit stand laptop desk, the Snap phone stand and grip, which works as a stand for your iPhone, but you can also use it to hold your iPhone more comfortably, and the Moffat and Popple tap to connect stand and grip. So this is the same thing as the previous one, but it has Popple built in, so you can create your virtual profile, and if you tap it with another of this, you can basically share profiles immediately. So you don't have to be sending your Instagram account to your friend, and then you send your Facebook account, and then you send your email. You can put everything together and just tap this. Extremely convenient. And this is my updated setup video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comments. And don't forget that all the links for all the devices, accessories, lights, anything, they're all listed in the description. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and good luck on the giveaway. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.